Hey you guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to another helpful and of course very interesting natural tips video. So in today's video, let's go make a natural remedy to removing skin tag and of course skin warts. This remedy is super active, and if you follow how I'm going to be showing you and how I'm going to be telling you to do it, definitely it's going to help you to remove your skin tag. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up the video and let's go. This that I'm showing you guys is actually a very powerful skin tag removal. It will definitely get rid of your skin tag in just 3 days. Now if your skin is actually a strong skin that is so freaking stubborn, at most 5 days your skin tag has fallen off, you guys. So what you're gonna be needing is garlic. All right, you grab your garlic, now it depends on your skin tag. If it's actually like much on your skin, then you can take more of the garlic. But if your skin tag is actually just maybe 1 or 2 or 3, just 1 clove of this garlic will do the job, or 2. So I'm going to be cutting it into pieces because I'm basically going to be blending. You can either blend or you create, so whichever one. So for this time I actually choose to blend so I can get a nice and smooth paste. Then I'll just get my small blender. After cutting, you guys, sorry, I'll get my small blender and put it inside. And then also you're going to be making use of your lime. Okay, do not use lemon for this particular one. Make use of your lime. All right, so before you start using your lime, you have to press it this way. That I usually do. Okay, it's actually not a must, but it helps my lime juice to come out more. So after then you have to cut into pieces. Now the reason why I'm actually cutting everything, because I need the zest of the lime also. Okay, so that's why I'm literally just cutting everything. So I'm going to be putting that in, and here we go. So the very last ingredient that you're going to be needing, we need just 3 ingredients, is your apple cider vinegar. That is the last ingredients that you'll be needing, your apple cider vinegar. And then I'm actually gonna be shaking it, and make sure that your apple cider vinegar contains the mother in it. So I'm basically gonna be putting 2 cups of my apple cider vinegar. So 2 cups of it is perfect. Why I'm actually shaking this is because the it's actually small inside, so it's gonna hardly blend. If it was like much inside, then I won't have to shake it. It will just smoothly blend pretty well for me. So here you go, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this to aside like different. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the smooth part of it, and then so you guys, here I have my two skin tag removal, 3 days, you guys. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna cover this up and leave it for 24 hours or 12 hours. Okay, like cover it up with a clip-in, or you put it inside something like this. Okay, and then you keep it aside for 24 hours. The next day when you open it up, you're going to perceive that the smell is going to be stronger. So that's how you're going to know that, yeah, your skin tag treatment is ready. Okay, so for this particular one, it's actually for a bigger skin tag. Okay, and this particular one are actually for tiny skin tag. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a plaster. That is how I actually, most of the time use my natural remedy for skin tag, and it works really well for me. So you're gonna get a cotton wool. I'm sorry I do not have a cotton wool or a plaster right now to show you, but I'm gonna be using just my hand. And then you're gonna get a cotton wool, grab the treatment, and then put it on the affected area, just only where you have your skin tag. When you now put it, the cotton wool is on top of it, so this is directly on your skin tags area. Do not put it on your bare skin where you do not have skin tag. Okay, then after that, then you grab your plaster. Make sure you use your plaster, cover this up and let it stay there for 24 hours. Okay, you can do that in another area where you have the skin tag. Put cotton wool on top, and then you put plaster on top. Leave it there for 24 hours, like one full day. Then the next day, make sure you make this ingredient enough for it to go for 3 or 5 days. Just store it, keep it. It's not going to go bad. You don't even need to put it inside your refrigerator. You need it to ferment. It has to be fermented. When it is fermented, that is when it works very well. So when you put it on, the next day you remove it, you put another fresh one. Okay, the third day you remove it, you put another fresh one. You guys, you're going to notice that the more you remove it and watch, your skin tag is going to be shrink. It's going to be looking shrink without any life, and before you know it, 3 to 5 days, your skin tag has actually fallen off. Okay, that is for this particular one. And then for this liquid one, if you have some tiny skin tag, be it on your face, okay, then you can actually use this. Okay, then what you do, you grab your cotton wool, you dip it into this juice. All right, when you dip it into the juice, then you will now take it, put it on those area where you have your skin tag, spread it out, and then let it sit there. You can actually use plaster, and maybe like 3 plaster, cover it all up and let it sit there for, of course, another 24 hours. Like whenever you're doing this, if you're doing this on your face, then you have to do it weekends, or you have to do it in the evening, then you remove it in the morning. So every evening you apply this, you remove it in the morning, and then 3 to 5 days, For 3 days are for those people who have like normal skin and sensitive skin. 5 days are for those people who have very tough and of course extremely tough skin. No matter how tough your skin is, your skin tag is going to go. So go give this a try if you would. So that's it. That is an amazing way to get rid of skin tag and skin warts. This is really simple. You know, just use any one that I've just shown you and you're gonna be happy you did. Just 3 days or 5 days, your skin tag or skin wart would die off and fall off, definitely. All right, I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and bye.